everybody, welcome back to Aaron Dash, and today I'm going to be showing you on how to use YouTube. And if you're not familiar with my channel, well that's okay, because you can check out my welcome video, which is of course down in the description. And I made some, not really big changes, but some changes, to my channel, so you might want to check out my announcement video, which is also in the description. And without further ado, let's get to the topic of this video. So yeah, I'm going to show you on how to use YouTube. So yeah, in order to access it, there's a lot of ways you could, but here's how I do it. I just use this little shortcut button right here. So yeah. So here we go. It's loading. Alright, here we are. So this is called the home menu, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, or home screen, whatever. So yeah, sometimes an ad might pop up. Yeah, ads can be really annoying, but yeah, it just makes YouTube free, I guess, and stuff. And this is the recommended. A lot of random videos might pop up. And yeah, here's the trending page where you'll find the most hot topics right now. Yeah. You could go to music, gaming, news, movies, or fashion and beauty. And here's just trending itself, like what's most popular right now, like I said. Subscriptions. Channels that you have subscribed to, or yeah, what your favorite channels have uploaded so far. I subscribe to the gaming channel because that's kind of what my channel is all about, and they didn't really upload anything yet. Oh well. The library, well, your history, watch later, playlists, liked videos. I don't really have my history turned on because I don't understand why I would really need that crap. So yeah, watch history, disabled. Search history, also disabled. Comments, nope, none of that crap. Your videos, so if you have a channel, this is where your videos will be. So yeah, currently I think I have like 21 videos or so. And yeah, Aaron Dash Official, 3 subscribers. So yeah. Oh, if you want to know how to get a YouTube channel, well, I'll tell you that later in the video, so yeah. So, if you have a YouTube channel, it'll look like this, You can edit your profile pic or your channel art. You can go to YouTube Studio, customize your channel. Doesn't really work on your videos page. You have to actually go to your real channel. So if you click here, your channel, then here we go. Home, and then the customize channel button will work. So if we go over here, to allow us to customize our channel. So yeah, currently I have 800 views. That's pretty impressive. So yeah, once I hit 1,000 views, I'm gonna be doing a live stream. So yeah, prepare for that. And yeah, uploads, create playlists, past live streams. You can edit all of this stuff too. You can also put a big video right here for returning subscribers or for new visitors. For my new visitors, I would put my welcome video just to welcome them. For returning, I would like to put my most recent video. I haven't really done that yet. And yeah, here's all my uploads and stuff. Videos, playlists, the channel. So let's go back. Alright. Oh yeah. Home. Videos. Yep, your uploads. Playlists. Your created playlists. Channels. No other channels. Discussion. Nothing. And about. Welcome to Aaron Dash Official here. Yeah, this is your description, so what your channel is all about. Apparently, it says I have right here 765 views, even though when I checked out the customized channel page, it said 800. So sometimes you might want to go to the customized one because I'm pretty sure that's the most accurate view count that I'll show you. So yeah, watch later, liked videos, not show videos, how-to videos. So yeah, these are your playlists and stuff. Anything else to show? Well, there's a thing called YouTube Preem. And what does YouTube Preem do exactly? Well, you can start a 1-month free trial, or then, $12 a month. And what this does is, well, you won't have to see any more advertisements. Oh, thank goodness. And then downloads, like you can save videos and stuff. And music Preem, you can download a music app and listen without interruptions. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, YouTube Preem. I don't really have it. Never used it, but it sounds awesome. Might use it one day. And let's see if there's anything else I would like to show you. Oh, settings. Nah. What do I want to show you? Hmm. Oh, how about this? YouTube Studio. Now, YouTube Studio, if you have a channel, then you'll get to access a thing called YouTube Studio, which is, just a little studio app for like editing your videos and stuff and checking out how good you're doing on your channel. So yeah, latest video performance, the YouTube algorithm, animation. Yeah, I made a little animation. So yeah, you might want to check that out too. Summary, last 28 days. View count, it's gone up a little bit. Watch time hours, also gone up a bit. Top videos, what's new in studio. Latest comments, ideas. Videos, how many uploads you got, and live streams. Playlists, it will take you to a different tab apparently. And yeah, playlists currently have 2. And analytics, I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. Subscribers. So yeah, past 28 days, it'll show you what's been happening for those past 28 days. So yeah, currently 551 views in those past days. Nice. 7.0 or just 7 watch time in hours. And I got a subscriber. Nice. 3 subscribers. Hey, you might want to subscribe to the channel too, Oh, do you not have a YouTube account? Well, I guess it's time to show you then. So let me return to regular YouTube if I can. Hold up. Alright, here we are. Back to regular YouTube. So, if you want to create a YouTube channel, well, pretty sure I created mine on my phone, so I don't really know how to do it on computer. I'm pretty sure how you do it is you just need a Google account, and then you gotta use that Google account, create a channel name. When you create your channel name, it's probably best not to use your real name. How about you make something creative, like, I don't know, just something cool. I guess you could use your name, but just, yeah, if you're gonna use your real name, put something with it that makes it sound cooler or something, I don't know. It doesn't have to be cool, it just might get you more views or something. Yeah. So, anything else to show you? Oh yeah, notifications, like comments and stuff. Oh yeah. So you got YouTube TV, YouTube Music, YouTube Kids, Creator Academy, and YouTube for Artists. Now, never really used this stuff, so YouTube TV, well, gives you access to a bunch of TV channels and stuff on. Never really used it, but that's kind of what it's about. YouTube Music, you listen to music and stuff. YouTube Kids, pretty much YouTube for ages. I don't use it, so the only thing I know is that well, it's for kids. Oh well, and yeah. So I guess that's all it is for YouTube. So go ahead and create your YouTube channel, and once you do, subscribe to Aaron Dash Official, and thank me for creating a channel, and yeah. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you later.